Jack, how would you describe what it is you do at Family and Elder Law of Mid-Michigan?
We're a niche law practice that specializes in estate planning and elder law, with a focus on asset protection planning and long-term care planning.
Wow, that's a mouthful. Can you explain the difference between estate law and elder law?
Estate law focuses on what happens to your stuff when you die, while elder law focuses on what happens to you and your stuff if you become very ill but don't die right away. Generally, we have to plan for both.
Can you give me an example of how that plays out?
Let's use Alzheimer's disease as an example. Typically, there's a period of time before being diagnosed when the family notices slipping. The afflicted person just isn't quite as sharp as they used to be. Then the slippage becomes much more pronounced, leading to a point where the person can no longer manage finances and make sound decisions related to their health care. Finally, there's a protracted period of time prior to death, oftentimes up to 10 years or more, when the person can no longer care for themselves. Our firm works with folks to create plans, we like to call them instruction manuals, that detail who they'd like to act for them, their agents, and specifically what they'd like those people to do or not do. And when they've passed, that their wishes regarding leaving a legacy are honored and protected.
That's interesting. How is that different from other firms?
We spend a lot of time on how to protect your assets and pay for care, where you want it, how you want it, and by whom. Our tagline is where family matters, and we see that a detailed instruction manual, coupled with thorough asset protection planning, allows folks to sleep better at night knowing that their wishes are likely to be carried out and family fights are minimized because there are thorough instructions for what mom and or dad want to happen.
I can see how that would give a great deal of peace of mind to both mom or dad and the rest of the family. You seem really passionate about this. What made you get into this business?
Well, I've got some personal experience. I lost my mom after a protracted battle with Alzheimer's that started just before I went to law school. I became involved in the care community during her battle and saw some great family stories and some real struggles. Those experiences really stroked a passion within me and solidified the importance of well thought out planning and how it can bring a family together rather than blow it apart at the most crucial times. Since then, I've surrounded myself with a team of folks who share that same passion, and it's our team approach and that passion along with our process that sets us apart.
It's very interesting. How would someone get started on one of these instruction manuals?
They just need to call our office at 517-351-6222 or visit our website to sign up for one of our complimentary workshops. That's step one.